Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable search suggestions in Vivaldi. If you're not seeing suggestions when typing in the address bar, don't worry, I'll walk you through the fix step by step. Let's get started. First, open Vivaldi and click on Icon Settings. In the Settings window, find and click on Privacy and Security. Look for the option called Search. Make sure this box Suggestions is checked. This will enable suggestions when you type in the search bar. Close the settings and start typing in the address bar. You should now see search suggestions appearing as you type. If not, restart Vivaldi and try again. That's it. Now you have search suggestions enabled in Vivaldi. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.